Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Horizontal and vertical constants. There are several ways to create horizontal and vertical constants with arrays. I showed you the sequence function, how it works. Well, we go here, we go to sequence, and we have rows and we have columns. We have one row, and that's one row, and we have 5 columns. And then it will fill in the one row and the 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have this formula here where you can enter it yourself. You can control the outcome. The third is the legacy, where you have to hit Control-Shift-Enter. On the other hand, if you want just vertical, you can hit sequence 5. How does that work? Well, again, all we're doing is filling in 5 rows. So you just put in one number. How it works with the constants is, remember I said if you just want one column, instead of using commas, you use semicolons. So 1, that's for the first row, 2, second row, third, fourth, and fifth. And then we have the legacy. And over here again, we're using formula text to give you an idea of what exactly methodologies you can do in building arrays. These are all arrays. Here's the sequence array, here's the fixed array, and then here's the legacy array. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.